Hey, so I got a song for you today. This one doesn't have a name yet, but shout out to Liz for reminding me to put up a vid. So, here you go. Well, she's acting smoother than silk tonight, gliding underneath the pale moonlight. Ruby red cheeks with eyes that shine. This conversation slow without the wine. She's slowly weaving back into my heart, faithfully conceded while she departs. Her beauty demands you to stop and stare. Paris, London, Rome cannot compare. Because ooh, my mind, she's practically divine. Reservation has left me, it's the truth this time. Cause ooh, my mind, what have you done with the remnants of a girl that I get to call the one? Just how she does it, I'll never know. A helpless reminder of how she grows. Her heels alive and shining bright, dancing away while she steals the night. Her words alone can cripple and arraign a faithful man that shows disdain. Without her here I'd lose my nerve. She's everything no man deserves. So keep on dancing till the edge of tomorrow. Honor your fear and negate your sorrow. But don't you dare forget the girl who opened your door to a brand new world. She opened your door to a brand new world. She's everything no man deserves. Because ooh, my mind, she's practically divine. Reservation has left me, it's the truth this time. Cause ooh, my mind,